you have the four variable for this a, b and c, d. Okay, for this k map. Okay, so how you can represent this value? Quickly give your response. This one is your a bar, b bar. Okay, this is the first row. In the second row, how you can represent a bar, b. Okay, in the third row, how you can represent a, b. Okay, in the fourth row, how you can represent a, b bar. Okay, so in this column side, how you can represent C bar, D bar. This is your first value. Then next one is same like this. Okay. Here AB, you can write CD right in this column side also. So this is C bar and D. Okay. Next column is your CD. Okay. And next one is, quickly give your response, same as this, CD bar. Yes, you are right. So this is CD bar. All of you, are you able to understand how you can name these formation? These two 1 1 are present right here. So you can pair these two values from here. Okay. Then these two values are present in the corner. You can pair these two values also. Okay, so for this you have to give the value of y. Okay, so quickly give your response. How you can solve this one is a bar, b bar, then c, d. Yes, you are right, you are right. Yes, then again a bar, b bar, c, d bar. Solve this one first. Solve this one. So which factor you can take the common? First you will solve this one, then you can solve this. Okay, which factor you will take the common? A, a bar, b bar and c, if you will take the common, this d and d bar is left inside the bracket. So when you solve this, it become equal to 1 and you will get the value a bar, b bar and c. Understood? Now come to this point. You have two variable right here. Okay. What is the value for the equation, particular equation? Quickly give your response in chat. What is the value for this? All of you. In this case, you have a b bar. Okay. A, you have the variable a first, then b bar, then you have the variable c bar and d bar. Okay, yes, you are right. Then plus sign. In the last column, you will find the value as a b bar, then c d bar. So quickly give your response, which factor you can take the common from these a, b bar, d bar. So if you take the common a, b bar and d bar, inside this bracket only c bar will be left. Okay, so c bar is equal to 1 and you will get answer as a, b bar and c bar. This is the second reduction and this is the first reduction. Okay, all of you. So this is the K map for three variables A, B and C, and you have to solve this quickly. 0 0 0 0 and you have to solve this 1 1 1 1. These four values are present right here. So first of all, you have to represent the values. How you can represent these values? First case is a bar, b bar. Second one is, quickly give your response in chat. Second one is a bar, b. Yes, a bar, b. Third one is your a, b. Yes, you are right. And fourth one is a b bar. Yes, this one is your c bar or c. Quickly, this one is your c or c bar. C bar. This one is c. Okay. So you have the four variable. So how you can pair these four variable? You can pair these four variable like this. Okay. So solve this complete equation quickly, all of you. Solve this. What is the value for buy? You can solve it if you take the BC common from here. This 1 become 1. Okay. If you take the value right here B bar C, okay, so this also become 1. And from this equation, what you will get here, you will get BC, and in this equation you will get B bar C. Okay, from here you will take the common factor C, and this also become 1. Okay, so finally you will get answer is equal to C, and we have to solve the formation for four values of ones. Okay, we have written all the 0 outside and all the 1 inside. So how you can form? You can form the four loops also, two loops also, or one single loop also. Okay, so this is the formation for the four variables. If four ones comes adjacent to each other, then you can group these four variables like this also. So all of you, you have to write the complete Boolean expression for pi. So quickly, give me a response. How you can write C plus C bar, okay? So when you will take this, A is common, okay? So this inside this complete bracket, A bar plus A will be left, okay? Because this one is equal to 1, and this one is also equal to 1, and this one is also equal to 1, okay? So what you will get? You will get a complete answer as BD. Give me a response how you can solve this. You have the four value right here, four ones right here. You have to make a pair for these four values. Okay, if these four values will come in a single row, you can pair them. If these four one value will come in this column, you can make a complete loop and solve it. If these four value come adjacent to each other, you can also make a four value pair from here. If these four values are present in the corners, you can also make these four variables loop also. So this d plus d bar is equal to 1, and again this d plus d bar is equal to 1. Okay, and you will get AB plus this C bar plus C. So this C bar plus C is again 1, and finally you will get answer is equal to AB. So you can solve it by your own. I will tell you the answer. Answer is AD bar. This is your answer. Okay. So you have to solve it. If you will find that this answer will not come, then we can solve it in the next lecture.